What is up, guys? So, as a lot of people know from my Instagram, I'm in Barcelona right now. I've been here for 5 weeks and I'll be here for 1 more week. For 4 of those weeks, I've been working in a molecular biology lab at the Clinical Hospital of Barcelona. A lot of what we do there is DNA extraction, white red blood cell extraction. I did this same thing last year, April 2017. I came here and did a month of the same thing, and it's literally such an amazing experience. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me today and kind of show you all of the procedures, the extractions, kind of what I do in a day working in a molecular biology lab in Barcelona. Okay, so every morning I walk to work. It's about a 20-minute walk from our apartment to the hospital. And I just listen to my music. Yesterday, actually, it was literally pouring rain. Okay, so basically it's starting to literally pour. I don't know if you can see that, but my pants are soaking wet. That's literally the puddle. This is so weird because usually the elevator's like completely, I have to sneeze. Usually the elevator is completely full, so I have to take the stairs, but I got lucky. This is the door. It's like right outside the elevator. This is the roof, so let's go. Hola. 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 Alright, so this is like the changing room with everyone's locker. So this is mine for the visitors. And I just put on my lab coat, put my hair up, and work. This is my lab coat. It has the Clinical Hospital here. Let's go. And then this is my notebook and my water. Okay, so I'm in the lab, and basically every day I'm here for about 5 hours, and I only speak in Spanish because obviously we're in Spain, and also it's really good practice. I'm gonna give you a tour of the lab. I'll show you the machines that we use, and then like later on I'll show you the different procedures or extractions that we do. So this machine right here is called a centrifuge. And basically this is for this size samples, the smaller tubes. And basically that's to extract whatever it is you want based on the time and speed. And then this centrifuge is the bigger one, and it's almost the same thing, but they're just a little bit different inside. And basically that's for tubes about this size, so they're a lot bigger. And this is what we use when we do the procedure of fecals. And these are some pipettes that we use to fill this size tubes. And basically correlating size is based on how much you want of the substance. These are the gloves we use for each procedure. We always wear gloves. And those are the main things that we use. Here's our workstation. It's like a little table here. And this is Belinda. Hola. She's one of the girls that I'm working with, and yeah, right now she's working with some samples. This is a DNA machine for extraction. So there's like another hour left. Bershka. This is the store I'm obsessed with here. Son los blancos.
Dime cuáles, que te voy a mirar.
Estos no. ¿Qué? Ah, aquí. Estos sí. These are the shoes I want, you guys. I'm obsessed.
La Illa es esta, sí que hay.
No había. And this is Laura.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Un besito a todos los seguidores de Mico para el canal de YouTube. Saludos desde España, Barcelona.
Okay, so now we are going to do a fecal. I will explain what it is in a little bit. And so basically first I'm going to grab ¿cuántos?
Dos.
So I'm going to need to grab 4 tubes, 2 for each sample. Okay, now I'm going to label it with the numbers on these samples of blood. Ahora está grabando. No tienes que.
Sí.
Vale. Okay. So, before we start the fecals, we are. Un momento, es que. Necesito un momento. So, before we start the fecals, we are going to put 200 milliliters of this. This is, in Spanish, it's sangre total, but basically it's the blood with all of the cells and kind of everything, and we don't separate them. So we're gonna put those in these 3 tubes, which we labeled for the number of the blood, which is here, the date, and ST for sangre total. Okay, so we're gonna start with 200 and esto sí, and these pipettes, filler tips. So we take these tips, so they're like this, and now you press down for 200. Like that, and then you do it for each tube. And you close it. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 milliliters, son mililitros, no? Of fecal in these 2 tubes because there are 2 of each. This is the fun part. So we take the sample, and because there's so little, you can see there's only a little bit. Basically, we have to add a bunch of PBS to the top of it to make there be more. So now, what we have to do, ¿puedes poner la cámara aquí? We're going to do it super slow so that the blood doesn't mix into the fecal, but basically it goes right on top. It stays right on top. We do that again for this fecal. However, we have enough blood so we don't need to add PBS, so we're gonna mix it. And then in order to have enough for 1 tube exactly, what Belinda taught me was that you take a pipette and see how there's not all the way at the top. You take a little bit from this one and then you put it here. To make it more. And this blood is a lot thicker because there's no PBS, it's just the blood itself. So essentially we're just going to do the same thing. Okay. Finish with that. And now we take our two mixtures and we bring them to this machine over here. And so these are a bunch of mixtures that we're gonna need to put in this machine, and so we're gonna put them all together. These are the two that I just did. So I'm going, whoa, it's so echoey. I'm going to get my hair cut right now. It's literally been so long since I've gotten my hair cut. I literally have so many dead ends. Okay guys, this is my final product of the hair. Hold on, I'm like crossing the street, but like it's dangerous, but like I'm doing it anyways. This hair salon is incredible. I cannot even tell you how amazing they are. I got it pretty short actually. I don't remember the last time I've had it this short. I think I was really little. Alright, so now, what time is it? So now it's like 8:30ish, and me and my cousin and my mom, we are going to the beach, and I'm forcing my mom to do a photo shoot with me, and after we're going to a dinner with the whole family, which is gonna be really fun. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with my new hair.
I'm filing a lawsuit.
You're filing a lawsuit? Alright, that's cool. We just finished dinner, and now we're headed home. Alright guys, so I'm wearing my retainer. That is basically what I do in a day. Okay, you cannot even understand me. Basically. So that's usually what I do in a day of working in the molecular biology lab. Usually it's a little bit different. I had a really fun day, and I'm going back to work tomorrow. Same routine. And yeah, thanks for watching.